Do you know what cockatoo would like to drink? Eat Hershey's milk chocolate. Yes, Hershey's sweet milk chocolate. Taste too. And Hershey's is real fun. Let's see what our bird says to us. Squawk, I like to have some Hershey's chocolate. And check bob my head up and down for it because I want it so much. Okay. Well, let's go. Squawky! To Hershey's chocolate! Now, how is he going to like it? Well, tastes great. Get Hershey's chocolate. Buy this type of Hershey's chocolate at Cracker Barrel. It tastes very good. Goodbye!